A vehicle with a large cargo area is almost a necessity when you're going camping, on vacation, or taking a road trip. Traveling with more than just a backpack is a good idea if you're serious about your adventures. Simple to hook up, cargo carriers are a great way to save space. They're relatively affordable, versatile, and easy to use. You'll find that moving items from point A to point B is much less stressful when using a cargo carrier. Here, we shortlisted the top 5 best portable winches you can buy. We examined the factors that differ a winch from good to great, such as its maximum pull capacity, rope material, and controls. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Before we jump into the review, we want to ensure you that we picked these items based on experts' opinions, online polls from the actual buyers, and evaluation of internet blogs and reviews. Number 1. CURT Basket Hitch Cargo Carrier. CURT has a reputation that is difficult to match when it comes to basket-style hitch cargo carriers. The CURT brand is known for providing high-quality hitches and hitch accessories at a reasonable price. We are looking at a 60-inch wide by 20-inch deep cargo carrier with walls that measure 6 inches high and a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds. This steel bumper supports up to 500 pounds, adding over 50 pounds to your car's rear end. Considering the weight of this powder-coated steel basket, installation may be difficult without a partner. It has an E-coat as well as a carbide black powder coating. It is constructed of heavy-duty carbide steel with tubular construction. The installation of this product is fairly straightforward and easy. It folds up and has integrated reflectors to ensure that you're traveling as safely as possible. While it's not suitable for every application, it is still a great choice. Number 2. MaxxHaul Aluminum Cargo Carrier. Designed for 2-inch towing receivers, this product can handle 500 pounds of weight with the proper distribution. With a half-foot lip, the outer basket measures 5 feet wide and 21 inches deep. Usable storage dimensions are 1 inch smaller in each measure. The product itself is only 22 pounds, so it's considered fairly easy to carry for a grown man. A low profile and 6.3 square foot area are provided by the product dimensions of 48 by 19 inches. Durable and safe steel construction makes this product durable and safe. Because this carrier does not have a mesh bottom, you must be extra careful about what you put inside. As for the mesh bottom is sold separately, so you can purchase it from there if you want. Designed to sit low, it allows lift gates to open, but some vehicles will have it close to the exhaust. It comes equipped with 4 reflectors at each corner for improved visibility when the sun goes down. Another version available for about $40 more features a folding mechanism, allowing it to be stowed away while unloaded. Number 3. King Bird Waterproof Cargo Basket. The King Bird product is the complete package when it comes to general-purpose hitch carriers. In addition to the steel basket, it includes 2 tow straps and a waterproof PVC cargo bag to protect items during long trips. The carrier weighs 60 pounds, we find it acceptable considering its size. The 60 by 24 inch dimensions provide 18 cubic feet of storage space when the PVC cover is secured. The bottom of the bag has a few reflectors to enhance visibility when the bag is folded upright. The only oversight we see in the design is that the bag covers up most of those reflective elements while in use, so visibility may be hindered. Number 4. Mockins Steel Cargo Basket with Net End Bag. Buying a product only to discover that it does not include all the tools and parts necessary for you to enjoy it is an absolutely frustrating experience. A waterproof cargo bag with an extra hitch stabilizer, 2 ratcheting straps, and a cargo net is included for free. Added for good measure is cargo netting. A 2-inch rise on the hitch hauler increases ground clearance, as does the foldable basket folding trailer when it is not in use. This hitch basket will work great with any vehicle. From the company Mockins, this set includes a hitch-mounted cargo basket as well as a water-resistant bag and ratchet straps. A rack with a mesh floor is superior to one with evenly spaced bars, as there is less chance of stuff falling through cracks. As your side swing door cannot open, this cargo carrier is not compatible with cars that have a tire on the back. With 60 inches of width, this trailer has plenty of room, and the hitch shank rises a few inches for better ground clearance. This trailer is made of light aluminum, not heavy steel. Number 5. Discount Ramps Elevate Outdoor Hitch Cargo Carrier. The Discount Ramps Elevate Tray-Style Cargo Carrier has a weight capacity of 550 pounds. For moving coolers, lawnmowers, construction materials, hunting gear, and other heavy loads, the 550 pounds weight capacity is ideal. You can haul extra gear for work or play with this Elevate Outdoor Premium Cargo Carrier. With dimensions of 48 by 2.75 by 4.75 inches and built-in reflectors, and a slat-style floor, it weighs only 30 pounds but features rounded corners and rounded corners. Aluminum construction makes it easy to install by one person. Slide it into a Class 3 or 4 hitch receiver, and you're ready to go. Attachment points for straps with hooks are located around a lip on the underside. Installed and used easily, this cargo carrier is durable and will last for many years. Discount Rams products aren't cheaply constructed, especially since they were built and still built for the mobility industry. Strength and rigidity are provided by a steel shank, support, and gussets. A 1-year warranty covers the package.